Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. I have something I've been hoping to get a hold of for a long time now. Thankfully my one buddy Rob gave me it. We finally have another small personal sized Trinitron. This one I believe was made in the 2000s. So my buddy Rob saw that I was looking for small ones. This is a 13-inch screen. He gave it to me for free. Thanks dude if you ever watch this. And I figured we'd do a regular overview video. I'm probably going to have to wipe it off a little bit. It's dirty. And it smells like he had it in a place that was a little musky, so I'm going to also pop off the back, try to clean it out just a little bit. I won't be doing a full-on maintenance just because I don't have a place to do that properly. So I did plug it in earlier to make sure it works okay. I didn't really plug anything into it to see if it inputs properly, but I assume so. So this particular one is a KV-13, which would be the 13-inch screen size, FM12. This exact one was made in May in 2000, so this predates the PlayStation 2's launch. I thought that because of the era and design of it, that it was probably going to be post-PlayStation 2, but no, so we're going to use a PS1 to eventually show it off. We tucked up the power cable down there, so that's good. Shouldn't be too hard to pop this open. They all pretty much have screw points that you can easily access and see where to unscrew. So, let me time-lapse that and we'll open it up and clean it out a little bit. Okay, so it's going to be pretty tight. Should be able to slightly pop. That's the next one also. So usually this part's not fully attached to the rest of the plastic assembly, so I have to pop it off. I have a little cloth to kind of hold it in place. Is that the Oh, I feel foolish. I missed one of the screws on the top. So there's a screw in the back where the input is. That attaches the main input board to the casing. And you definitely don't want to try to rip those all out. So just peeking around, luckily I don't notice, just eyeballing it, any leaky caps or anything that looks terrible. It's just covered in a little bit of dust, which like I said makes sense. It's over 20 years old, so I'm going to wipe off the back cover. We're going to wipe off the front of it as well, and then I'm going to take a look of it actually displaying stuff. Okay, I wiped it down a little bit, but with scuffs and scrapes and some of these stains, it's not going to go out easily. Let's actually turn her on. So hopefully I didn't ruin anything by taking that off or bumped anything important. It should just turn on normal. Yeah. We got no signal because it's on RF. I have nothing plugged in. So basic overview, there's the front panel. This is mono, so there's only one speaker on the left side. And I realized because it's mono, on the right side, you have a little area for more menu buttons. So you have the standard buttons, power, channel, volume controls, change the video input. And then you have menu buttons to control the menu on the side, actually, which is useful because I don't have a matching remote or one available at the moment. A headphone jack if you want to plug headphones into it. Mono in, and then composite in on the front. Then around back, standard RF input, and then composite in, and then mono audio RCA in. Way to plug in and put the cable and manage that also, so that's good. Does look a little jittery, but I don't know if that's just from use, so let's actually plug something into it and see how it looks. So this isn't the best sign. It looks like probably from years of nicotine and stuff. The connections are dirty. Try the back one again real quick, but I don't think I damaged anything on the board. Unfortunately, I didn't test it by plugging anything in when I first got it, but yep, unfortunately it looks like this one's dirty and needs some actual maintenance to it. It starts to clear up a little bit, but it's definitely needed some tender love and care. Fortunately, I don't have an area to easily repair this, so we're going to do an overview of it, the condition it's in. Keep in mind, if you find one of these sets, they're hopefully in better condition than this.
Stay alert. He'll be through here. I know it. I'm going to swat down a couple of bothersome flies. This is Snake. Colonel, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. What's the situation, Snake?
Looks like the elevator in the back is the only way up.
Just as I expected. You'll have to take the elevator to the surface, but make sure nobody sees you. If you need to, contact me by codec. The frequency is 140.85. When you want to use the codec, push the select button. When we need to contact you, elevator there you can take up to the ground. You'll just have to wait for the elevator to come down. You'd better hide somewhere.
So I do realize that it's starting to get a little better with use, but I still notice the flickering. So the unit probably needs maintained. I do smell some of the nicotine from the smoking in the house kind of burning away off of it. So that's probably what's causing some of the issues. I might, if I find some space to actually work on these, work on cleaning it up and showing it off again, but I hope this gives you an idea about this unit. So if you see it at all, this might help you decide if it's good for you. I mean, at this point, I would 100% still take it if it's not in good condition. Once the games are actually playing, it starts to smooth out a little bit. It's not as noticeable. So anyway, take care. I hope to see you guys again soon, and if you pay attention to what was behind this TV, I think you know what the next video will be about. Alright, stay safe. Bye.